Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 won't close properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often occurs due to worn-out hinges or a misaligned lid. If left unchecked, it can lead to further damage, affecting the performance of your device and potentially causing spills. To carry out this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement hinge kit, which can easily be found online or at your local hardware store. Firstly, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully turn the device upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the unit. Be sure to keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Next, gently lift the base cover off to expose the internal components. Now, focus on the hinges, which are typically located at the back of the device. Inspect the hinges for any signs of wear or breakage. If they appear damaged, you will need to unscrew them from the body of the Thermomix. Use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry them loose if they are stuck. As you remove the hinges, take note of their position and orientation to ensure the new ones will fit correctly. When you have extracted the old hinges, take the new ones from your replacement kit and align them in the same position as the old ones. Secure them in place using the screws you previously removed. Be cautious not to over-tighten the screws, as this can damage the plastic housing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the hinges, replace the base cover by aligning it carefully and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert the screws at the base to hold everything together. Now, flip your Thermomix back to its upright position and plug it in to test the lid closure. It should close smoothly without any resistance. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean the hinges and avoid forcing the lid closed if it feels misaligned. Keeping your Thermomix in a clean, dry environment will also help prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.